I travel a lot for both work and for personal trips, and that's when I get to test new technology and new products while I'm exploring a new place. But what excites me is the abundance of tech products available in India. Right now I'm in the UK for a summer holiday with the family, and I decided to test the OPPO K3 on a bright British summer day. An average day in English summer starts with sunrise as early as 4:30 am and the sun goes down around 10 at night. That's almost 18 hours of sunshine. A perfect scenario to test a phone's display, battery and performance. So let's go ahead and see how my day went. Usually my day started with a quick run in the morning followed by breakfast in the garden while soaking some sun. To be honest, the sun is too bright and a scorcher in the UK, but the vibrant display on the OPPO K3 did very well under every light condition. So let's first check out the design and display of the smartphone. The OPPO K3 uses an internally stored rising camera designed to achieve a completely undisrupted 6.5 inches full-screen AMOLED display. Seamless gap-free integration with phone's body make the screen as natural to navigate as it is advanced. The screen is very responsive and offers deep blacks. The viewing angles are also good, and the 91.1% screen-to-body ratio makes for immersive viewing experience for gaming, web browsing and video playback. The Corning Gorilla Glass 5 makes it very free for accidental drops or scratches. In terms of ports, you get the USB Type-C port with VOOC Flash Charge 3.0. Along with that is the speaker grill, microphone and a 3.5mm audio jack on the bottom. On the right hand side is the power key and a dual slot tray for 2 SIM cards. On the left is the volume rocker. The top has a 16 megapixel rising camera and a secondary noise cancellation mic. K3 is powered by the Snapdragon 710 processor, Qualcomm's chip for upper mid-range phones. It's the new most preferred chipset, which is built on 10nm technology and has become the new mid-range champ for its smooth gameplay and efficiency. The chipset has also been combined with LDDPR4X dual-channel memory to enhance battery, computing and graphics performance in everyday smartphone use. The K3's best-in-series 8GB plus 128GB high-speed memory works to unleash SoC performance in scenarios where it counts. There are no lags whatsoever and the handset is quite snappy. Playing PUBG and other game on it is a delight thanks to unobtrusive display and the 8GB of RAM. Call quality is good and audio delivery also is very good thanks to Dolby Atmos. Let's talk some numbers. It has 14% higher efficiency, 15% improved peak performance, 63.66% improved continuous read performance and a 26.64% improved random writing performance. The OPPO K3 comes with ColorOS 6.0 based on Android 9. There are a number of handy features in the user interface, but what I like the most is the all-new Game Boost 2.0. It unites OPPO's original Frame Boost frame accelerator and Touch Boost touch accelerator to eliminate stalling and keep touch sensor from lagging, enhancing your in-game experience at every level. With high-performance gaming tools certified by TUV Rheinland, the K3 is ready to fight with wherever you want to play. With Frame Boost, users get 31.4% higher frame rate stability and a 44.1% lower chances of lag. OPPO K3 comes with a 16 plus 2 megapixel dual rear camera setup. The primary camera works on a Brido f1.7 aperture value and has a 6p lens setup. The high-resolution front camera comes with AI Wisdom Beauty, front HDR, facial recognition, front portrait style, and much more. The AI Wisdom Beauty technology allows you to tweak your facial features such as nose, jawline, face width, eye span, etc. It works well in both still photos and video mode. I captured a lot of shots by K3 and the camera is nothing less than a flagship performer. It is very snappy and captures accurate colors. The camera interface is easy to use and offers some appealing filters to help you experiment with images you capture. I personally really like the Ultra Night Mode 2.0 feature that auto kicks in control the harsh light in the background. Combined with multi-frame noise reduction and HDR technology, it gives your night shots enhanced gradation for clear shading and vivid lifelike color, capturing incredible detail in fainter light. OPPO also uses the front camera for face unlock and also allows users to use a combination of both face unlock and fingerprint unlock at the same time. The AI beautification on the 16 megapixel front rising camera helps render subject facial features and skin tones. It also optimizes portrait shots to capture the natural beauty you see in people. Hi guys, this is the OPPO K3 and I'm in Solihull, England right now, and this is the video sample as I'm walking across the street. What I specifically wanted to show you is how this is 9 p.m. at night and I can see the sun right there on the building and its reflection. And I clicked some photo samples, and whenever I showed the samples to people, they were not believing it's the natural light, and whenever I was showing the sample to the people, they were not believing that this is the real sunlight. So I had to make this video to show you how beautiful it's looking. This town is really beautiful. So that's a walking sample from the OPPO K3. So this is the front video sample from the OPPO K3, and again I'm roaming on the same streets at the same time because I wanted to show the video samples from the front and the back. And it's very important for you to understand that this is low light right now, because the sun is almost down. If I show it to you, yeah, it's almost down. The sun is setting there. It's around 9:15 now in the UK, and what's important to understand is that how well it's picking up the colors. With the K3, OPPO makes us wonder why should one spend more than 20,000 rupees on a smartphone. K3 is a device that inherits most of the features from company's futuristic flagship devices. While most companies keep the USP of flagship devices limited to the top range, OPPO on the contrary has passed on features like in-display fingerprint scanner and rising selfie camera to an under 20k device, thus making K3 a very lucrative buy. So that was our unbiased review of the OPPO K3. To hit the like button if you enjoyed watching the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching the Unbiased Vlog.